This video is about the best and affordable set of headphones that money can buy. SONY wh-1000xm2. Terrible name. Come on, Sony, you can find better names for your headphones lineup. Despite the less happy name in this category over here noise cancellation headphones, these ones are the real deal, and I will explain why later. These headphones have a great sound, one of the best noise cancellations, and they are very comfortable. The unbox experience is top of the line. You feel that we are in the presence of an expensive product with attention to details. These headphones come with a good hard case, like most headphones, but the way they fold is really annoying. You need to fold the right ear cup in order to get them fit in the case. The case itself is fine, and also has a small place in the back to store the charging cable, for example. About the sound quality, these headphones sound excellent. They are full rich and clear with the sound they have. For example, you have more range and more deep bass than the Bose KC35. Even the noise cancellation is slightly better. In terms of comfort, I can guarantee that only after long hours of use will you realize that you are using a pair of headphones. They are very comfortable and lightweight. The design is excellent, the ear caps have a good amount of padding and the top band is padded well. They are plenty flexible enough to not be squeezing your head all the time and getting uncomfortable. In terms of isolation, they do a pretty well job. The good isolation of the ambient sound, along with the noise cancellation feature and the great sound quality, make these phones unbeatable. In terms of controls, there are only two physical buttons. All the rest of the controls are done by swiping and tapping on the right ear cup, which has a small touchpad. Tap to play and pause, swiping up and down to change the volume, and forward and backward to change the tracks. To be honest, to me I would prefer to have physical buttons or a dial like the Microsoft Surface headphone, because the touch controls do not work every time, but you get used to it. Back to the physical buttons, there are two, the power button and the noise cancellation / ambient sound switch. The power button is also used to pair the headphones. You hold the button for some seconds and then you are able to connect them to a new device. The battery life is enough to last for almost a week without being charged. It lives up to around 30 hours, and with just 10 minutes of charge you get more than 1 hour of playtime. The left ear cup has an NFC logo on. that can be used to tap to pair on the side of the headphones with an NFC-enabled device. This is a great feature, but these headphones only pair to one device at a time. It means, for example, that every time you want to switch from your mobile phone to your laptop, you need to pair again, which is a bit annoying. It's also possible to use the mobile app to optimize the noise cancellation feature. You can switch between different sound profiles, or you can customize everything using the equalizer. Now I will tell you why I consider these ones the best deal in this category. I bought these ones to my wife on the last Black Friday for around 170 euros, which was less than half of the price of the new XM3, which are now listed for 380 euros. The big difference from the XM3 to the XM2 are the redesigned ear cups with a little more padding, which increase the isolation from the environment sound. The top band also has a bigger padding and, of course, the USB-C input instead of the micro USB. Apart from this, everything is similar. I advise you to check more technical reviews about the sound quality and the noise cancellation performance if you need more detailed information. I definitely would like to see on the XM4s, the next version of these ones, the ability to pair with multiple devices, and also the ability to detect when you took them off your head and they pause, and when you put them back on, they will keep playing again, like the Surface headphones. In conclusion, I love these headphones. The design and build quality is top of the line. How they look is great. How they sound is great. How they feel is great. They are excellent for those who fly frequently or for those who work in a noisy environment. Let me know in the comments your opinion about these headphones. I leave a link in the description to these headphones, and stay tuned because you can get a good deal or a promotion on the discontinued products. If you enjoy watching as much I enjoyed making this review, hit that like button and leave a comment below. This is Brick Art, and I will see you in my next video.